Hey! Sound. That's what we're doing. We're doing some sound. Let's get some sound. No Arnold jokes. None. Zero. No Arnold jokes. None. No Chopper. None of that. Okay? Maybe we'll find some Arnold jokes. All right. What's the goal? The goal is to load up some sound and play it. This is stupid simple. Okay. What example do I want to use? I want to use your jukebox example. Because I know it's not going to be as easy as it is in the book, as we've seen from our image adventures, which will actually be helpful for us today, just getting this working. That's going to be the goal. I want to refer back to the image manipulation video and loading an image function, and how that is able to get the absolute path of the process that's running, or where it's actually at, running from or looking at, so you know where the running directory is for the app. And I imagine that we're going to have to revisit this. This is going to be coming back to haunt us. I don't think we're going to get lucky finding the sound files that nice and easy and simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy and do a little hack and slash. We're going to keep the load image function. That one we'll keep. That's going to help us. But we don't need any of this this transform stuff. And we're going to add in, actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's just get it drawing the image. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to abandon it. We're going to leave the lily behind. See you, little lily. You're going to stay there. You're going to stay there. And you're not going to do a darn thing. You're just fine where you're at, lily. Okay, now where's the next thing that we got to do here? Oh, that's right. Let's start porting some code over. Let's do a little piece at a time, though. I mean, let's not be stupid. So let's go and look at some of this example code, and it looks like I've got some components here that I need to have access to. So I guess maybe, let's start there first. Let's start here first. Let's grab these guys. And see what we can make with that. So this is back to that image manip program that we built for the images. With the lily, with Mr. Lily. Okay, well, a lot of this stuff I'm probably already duplicated on. It looks like my copy did not want to manifest because I got to use their stupid copy. Let's see. I need to stop using that inappropriate term. I should just say silly. So yeah, this is definitely not working. This copy. Come on. Give me some love. No. No, you don't like me at all. You just don't like me. Oh my God. Oh, what a day. It's already started out well, hasn't it? I can't even copy some code from a book. Let's see if I can be sneaky and get them before they do the little rudeness on me. Let's see. Control Z. Okay, let's see if I did it. Control V. No. All right, guys. To be continued. Well, the to be continued is going to be in the form of me typing it out. Why not? Let me get it all laid out here. All right, so let's get to Glad handling some of that typing business here. What are we going to need for this example? For the jukebox, we need an action event. Import JavaFX dot event dot action event. Okay. We need geometry. Scene control button. Do we have a button? Some of this stuff we'll add in when I get to the code that actually needs it, but let's throw in some of this easy stuff that we need, like buttons. You know, simple stuff. Simple stuff. Choice box, okay. Let's just do this. Control C, Control V. Am I doing this wrong? Yeah, this has got to be control dot button, and then this one is going to be. This one's going to be control dot choice box. Okay, we got a label. We got H box. We need a V box, a vertical. So that one in there. And oh, hey, what about the whole reason for this whole thing? Duh, audio clip. With a capital. There we go. There you go. Nice and neat. Okay. You like me. I know you like me. Oh no, you don't. Not when I do those things. All right. So I see here which sneaky I knew, and then yeah, of course, nothing's gonna be that easy, is it? It's gonna be media.AudioClip. Media. Okay. And what do you not like about it? Are you saying it does not know how to find it? Media doesn't exist. That doesn't come with Maven, does it? Oh, geez. We gotta look at how to add media. The media package. Can I just search for the dependency at the Maven repository? Oh, there it is right there. Should we do a local search though? Let's do a local search to see if it's in our own libraries. It's not in our own Maven repository, so that means we need to... Oh, wait, it is. Okay, let's add it. I don't know if that dealt with that dependency or not. Let's find out. Okay, so there's the media is not visible, and it looks like we're gonna have to try to add this one. Okay, so it really does not like me. And it looks like Maven's media plugin is an issue. So we're probably going to have to fix some stuff. So no, when we build a JavaFX Maven project, it does not add the media by default. It doesn't. What a stinker. So we got to do it. And what we do is there is a project XML file, configuration file. It's called pom.xml. pom.xml that we got to find that contains project information. So if we break down the project that we created with the JavaFX Maven, we'll find within that project, because all Maven does is embed the libraries with the project instead of you having to directly link them. So it goes with the app. And we have this POM underneath project files, pom.xml. And this is where we are going to add media. It looks like we've got something in here, JavaFX media. I don't know if that does it or not. Let's continue on, because one thing that I know that we need is, let's see here, what do we need? I got the instructions for setting it up here. I think we're okay. So we need the media dependency under the dependencies. So it looks like we've got dependency here, and dependency, I'm seeing media right there. Are you saying that it doesn't add it by default? Really? It's right there. That's it. That's what we're supposed to add. Okay, well, is it buried? Is it got syntax problems? Let's find out. Does this add the dependency like it should? I know I have the AI look at the whole file and see if there's something that we got to add to it. Because if not, then we've got to look at this from a different approach. Okay. All right. So what I've done to work on solving this problem is I've looked into, hey, what sets up the project and sets up all the dependencies for the project when it comes to the JavaFX. And it's telling me that, hey, this file is a problem. There's something wrong here because of different versions on my specific machine, and everybody's situation could be different depending on what they've got going on with what they've installed as well. This is just my particular case. Now what I'm going to do here is make sure that my versions match. And I believe I can modify this so that it will match correctly. And let's see if this will do it. This is the dependencies. And the reason why we're having a problem is because of the version mismatch. Because you see here, look at this. Version 13. And look at it, this one is using a whole different version. That's definitely not something that's good. So we need to normalize that for sure. And the example that I'm getting is from the AI is to do that with it. Now what is that? What did I just paste in there? Let's see. Dependencies. I'm pasting in a whole new dependencies block, and what's going to change is this right here and this right here. Okay. And it looks like properties got in there too. Why did I need properties? I didn't really need properties. Oh, yeah. That's why. Because we need to target the version 13. And that's what that's doing.
Hello?
All right, that's good. Hold on. All right, we're going to come back. So yeah, that's where I'll throw in that that fix to the dependency file, and let's see. This just says pull the current version and add these dependencies to the package and the project. And we just fixed that with this right here. So if yours is having a problem, throw your pom.xml into your local friendly AI and say, hey, what's wrong with this file? And it'll look at it, and it can be a nice extra set of eyes, because when I first opened up this file and looked at it, I was just like, oh crap. Okay, so let's see now. What does this take us? This takes us to our app, and let's see. Does this? If I do a clean rebuild and we rebuild it, let's look at what's actually happening here. Right there. From pom.xml. So it uses that to gather all the project information. All right. And evidently it didn't have any errors when it used it. So that change, that little modification helped. Let's see if I can do a clean sweep. Nope. Didn't think I'd be that easy. All right, back to the drawing board. That was a start. Looks like we also need to update some module info saying that we're telling it that the module requires media. And to do that, let's see, what are we working on? We are going to go to module-info.java. So where are you? No, not there. Definitely not in the big old batch of stuff. There's media right there. So it's part of it. Oh, where are you? Module-info.java. There you are. Oh, what do you need to be? Requires JavaFX controls. Let's add in into this project that it also requires JavaFX.media. Requires. Okay. Clean rebuild. Build success. Oh my God, what the heck? Frickin' Maven, you piece of stink. You're a frickin' turd. Okay, guys. Sorry. It is what it is. Alright, evidently we've got this wired up right. We have in here that we require the media, and looks like you got images stuff, and our dependencies clearly put media in there, guys. Come on, Maven. Whatever else you got. So yeah, make sure this right here, this dependencies thing is not a problem for you. And then of course you're going to go into your module info and require the media, and that'll get you pumped in to get actually this code working, which we're going to go back to now. So let's get into it. Okay, now we're not going to get too crazy with pumping this up with everything from the books example. We're going to get a simple song playing. Actually, you know what? Let's get two. Let's load up 2 songs. And we will use those to play the songs in the media player with JavaFX. So let's do this. Let's create some audio files. So we're going to have a file array, and this is going to be our audio files array. And again, this is just coming from your example. And then we have another one. Now these new file instantiations, these are going to be a bear. I don't think that these are going to be just finding easily within the working directory, the root directory. There's going to be some issues. Beat2.wave. Okay, so let's just do beat1, beat2. No, I don't want insert. Don't you insert me. Don't you insert me. Okay, 1 and 2. All right, that's good. All right. Let's finish up the whole hoo-ha. All right. And is that one full? Other than that. Yeah, okay. All right. So we create the audio files, which link the file. Then we create an audio clip that plays the file. And that's where everything comes together. Getting the file, playing the file. Very, very simplistic. Now, let's do this. We're going to get into a little bit of some data types that we need with this whole object. And these are going to be object scoped data types that are going to be up here in the object itself. And that's going to be a audio clip array called tunes, and a audio clip that we say is the current clip, because we're going to use the current clip to go through the array of clips, of audio clips. And then no, there's going to be no stop button. We're not going to do stop button. We're going to load it up and hit play. And I don't know, whatever. No, let's add the button. Private. And then let's add a stop button. That's part of the example. Okay. All right. So those are the object-based, that's the object-based memory. And what we want to do is we want to instantiate. We've instantiated the file. We get the files, which there's going to be problems there. But once we get the files, then we instantiate the audio clips. And our audio clips is our tunes array. That's our tunes array. So we need to instantiate 2 of those. Tunes. But first, we've got to instantiate the reference to the full array. And that's going to be this line of code. And then what do we need? We need two of them. We need 2 of them. We need a reference to two audio clips. And remember, we've got to instantiate those audio clips. We just instantiated the reference to the array. That's it. That's just a 4-byte reference. That's it. It's not the actual audio clips. So we could do this on the loop like the example, or we could just hard code it. I'm going to hard code it for this, and it's going to be a new audio clip. And we're going to use the uniform resource or URI, and let's see, new audio clip here. and this is going to be where we refer to the audio files. Now, I believe these, we got to call this audio files. Okay, so we create a clip from audio files. And which one? Well, this is going to be from the first audio clip that we have. Audio files of 0. That's beat 1. And that's going to be, we want that. We want to get the to URI. Where is that located? It's a local resource. And then let's see, what's the next one? We only need to go to the actual toString, it looks like, of what's going to be created. And I think we just need to do that for 0 and 1. So this is where I'm interested to see what happens in the debugger, because this is where just these lines, these are the lines that make everything go. So if we can get these working, then you guys can take it for the rest of the show, or whatever. I don't know. 1. Okay, let's do 1. There we go. 1. There we go. Well, let's see if these load up. I'm going to go find a beat 1 wave and a beat 2 wave, and I'm going to throw that in the root directory, and then we'll go play. All right, so I'm in my root directory. You see the water lily that we did. This is the directory to the project, and the very entry into it. And I'm going to throw those in there, and I'm just going to rename them beat 1. And then beat 2. Oh, why did that happen? Okay, beat 2. And then rename beat 1. Evidently, I'm beat naming challenged today. All right, those are my source. So then what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to just set a breakpoint and see if this stuff works. Right there. That's where I think it's going to die. Okay, well, let me rephrase this. No, I know it's going to die. I will dance a jig if it works. I will dance it. Okay. It hasn't worked yet, so no dancing. All right. Huh? No die? You didn't die? No die? Really? What's that a watch to you? New watch. There we go. Do you got anything linked to a file? Path. Status null. No. Length 0. Doesn't look like it. I'm not seeing good stuff here. And we'll see. Oh, it hasn't instantiated them yet. Okay. There we go. Really? No. No, you worked? No, that never happens. I'm not dancing. I'm not dancing. Not gonna happen. You better die on me. You didn't die on me? Oh my God. Did it really work? And watch. tunes. What does it have in there? Audio clip. Okay. That didn't look good. No, 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 no. Okay. Well, I'm not dancing a jig until they play. You know. So they didn't play. And they didn't look good in the debugger. So I'm not. All right, well, what's next? Yeah, we gotta get back into Mr. Example. And I don't think, let's not even worry about the button. I just want to play the dang thing. So it would be this. I think, would it be this simple? I mean, because technically if this worked, I'd have to dance the jig. No, don't make me dance. Shit. Alrighty. I don't even know how to dance a jig. I'm pretty. Well, I think when they're dancing, I'm dancing a jig. Maybe we need to have more of this kind of sound. Like maybe this kind of sound when I'm dancing a jig. Yeah, come on. Give me some love here. Here's the sound that should happen. No! Not that sound. Something else. Oh, look at what happened. I messed that up, didn't I? Okay, here's the sound that should happen when I dance a jig like I just tried. Head into the bomb shelters, guys. Because there's going to be some shaking going down. All right. All right, guys. Hopefully that took you through some stuff to be successful in getting stuff working within the environment that we're dealing with. And again, this could be all different circumstances. This was just my circumstance. Yours could be a little bit different on why your media is not coming in. But yeah. Take care.